Time to harvest the Roselle Hibiscus calyxes. We use these to make tea. It's pretty easy to harvest them. You just cut the large ones off, let the small ones get a little bit bigger before you harvest those. That's a pretty good first harvest. So next up is processing them before we dry them. And now we have to process the calyxes that we harvested. Basically, you just want to take the red portion, which is the good portion, off, save that, and then you save what's left over, because we'll let those dry out naturally and use the seeds to plant for next year. And when you're all done, you'll get about this much flesh of the calyx. You can either eat it raw, kind of cranberry taste, put it in a salad, or you can do what we're gonna do. You dry this and use it for tea, and you'll have about this many of the leftover calyxes. I'm just gonna let these dry out and use the seeds to spread around the food forest next year. We're ready to dry the Roselle calyxes. 110 degrees. For 6 hours. I ended up dehydrating at 110 degrees for 12 hours. You can raise the temperature a little bit if you want to, maybe if you want it to go a little faster. Use the dried calyxes to make tea. Adding this tea to your daily diet brings many, many health benefits.